Amnesty International Day. Human rights have been a hot topic in local and international politics since the 1960s. Whether fighting for the right to marry the person of our choice, or to end abuses like child labor all over the globe, Amnesty International has been in the trenches trying to make the world a better place. Amnesty International Day works to promote human rights and raise awareness of their abuses and how our choices affect them every day. The importance of human rights. Their collaboration resulted in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. It is this declaration that Amnesty International works to implement and protect. And therefore, it is really this declaration that is at the heart of what Amnesty International Day is all about. These statutes are critical because they are based on necessities such as respect, dignity, equality, and fairness. These are basic things that every human should be entitled to. Sadly, though, there are human rights abuses that happen around the world on a daily basis. There is a lot of work that needs to be done, and this is why a day like Amnesty International Day is so critical. History of Amnesty International Day. Amnesty International was first established in the month of July 1961 in London. Peter Benenson, an English labor lawyer, was inspired to establish this organization after learning of Portuguese students being imprisoned for 7 years after having drunk a toast to liberty. Together with Eric Baker of the Religious Society of France and numerous other intelligentsia, including academics, writers, and lawyers, they composed an article called The Forgotten Prisoners that would see publication in The Observer in May of 1961. This led to an appeal which quickly grew into an organization that would work to change the world and see that everyone would be entitled to a set of basic human rights. How to celebrate Amnesty International Day. Amnesty International Day is to spend some time reading up on the different cases that the organization has helped with. For example, some of the recent successes that they have had include changing the law in Morocco so that victims of rape no longer have to marry their abusers. They also played a monumental role in seeking justice for Angel Colon, a torture survivor in Mexico, as well as controlling the sale of weapons. You can also head to their website to read about the different cases that are going on at the moment as well. There is also a petition that you can sign to pledge your allegiance, should you wish to do so. You may even want to spare a few hours of your time by volunteering in one of the offices that they have around the world.